Hello lovelies, I hope you all are enjoying the festive vibes as the festive season is around and Diwali is in the corner. So क्यों ना अपने skin और hairs को prep किया जाए. Not only for Diwali, we have coming wedding season, then winters, and you know that skin prep का कोई season ही नहीं होता. But this time we have special occasion that is Diwali, and who don't want to look beautiful. So let's talk about this in today's video. I'm going to share some skincare and some makeup products which I recently purchased from the Amazon during the Great Indian Festival sale. So please keep on watching. So firstly, I'll secure my hairs before the skin prep. So skin prep starts with a good cleanser. You must have to clean your face before putting any makeup or skincare products. For cleansing, I'm using this 3% niacinamide foaming face wash. I have a separate video on my channel where I given a complete review on this product. This is specially designed formula by the dermatologist for the acne marks. This is sulfate and a paraben free, dye and mineral oil free, and it is very gentle on your skin. This product is such a must have in my skincare vanity. This really suits my skin and doing its job well and helps in fading my acne scars and cleansing the pores. अब मैं यहाँ अपने फेस को वॉश कर लूँगी. Then I will pat my face with this clean towel and it feels so refreshing. Then next we have to cleanse our pores. So as you can see, my acne scars are way more visible because recently I have major breakouts due to the hair oil. So here I am using Dead Sea Mud Mask, hyaluronic acid infused by the brand Matra. This mask exfoliates the skin, clears the acne, deep cleansing and remove the blackheads. I will keep this mask 10 minutes on my face. Sure, never make your mask too dry on your face. So now it is ready to take off. I will cleanse my face in the circular motion ताकि स्किन को अच्छे से एक्सफोलिएट कर सके. नाउ माई स्किन्स आर फीलिंग फ्रेश. आई कैन फील दैट माई फेस इज डीप क्लीन. देन नेक्स्ट वी हैव टोनर. सो मास्क लगाने के बाद जो भी हमारे ओपन पोर्स हैं, अब टाइम है उसे बंद करने का. सो हेयर आई एम यूजिंग बायोटिक का बायो हनी वाटर पोर टाइटनिंग टोनर विद हिमालय वाटर्स. This 120 ml bottle worth rupees 175 rupees, but I'm sure that you can get into discounted price. I will drop a link so you guys please check it out. I took this toner on my palm and I patting my face so it will deeply penetrate my skin. By regular use, you can actually see the visible results in the pore tightening. Then next we have to moisturize our skin using Mamaearth Vitamin C Ultra Light Gel Oil Free Moisturizer with Vitamin C and aloe vera water. This 200 ml bottle worth rupees 349 rupees. And this having the gel-like consistency, suitable for all skin types, non-sticky formula, paraben and the silicone free. Usually other moisturizers break out my skin, but I haven't seen such issues with these products, so I am definitely loving this product. I also want to recommend you to try this product. So here I am massaging my face on the upward direction, so it will avoid the early stage wrinkles or it makes the late wrinkles. Mamaearth की खासियत ये है कि ये इनके प्रोडक्ट सारे क्रुएल्टी फ्री होते हैं एंड दे रिसाइकल मोर प्लास्टिक देन दे यूज. है ना ये अच्छी बात. So I used the two variants. First is the Upton one, and you can see I fully finished it. Now I'm liking their vitamin C gel too. Okay, so anyone wants extra moisturize or make the skin dewy and fresh, then definitely check this serum range. They having wide range in the skincare, and I'm using this product from this week now, and my skin is liking it. This is a skin illuminating face serum with vitamin C and the turmeric. This 15-gram bottle worth rupees 349 rupees, but yes, again you can get in the discounted price. You can check their Mamaearth website or you can check in the Amazon. This serum is so lightweight, one pump is enough for my face. Absolutely gives my skin a very nice and a healthy glow. So we put vitamin C on our face, so don't forget to apply the sunscreen while going outside or even staying in the indoors. Here I am using Lotus Herbal Safe Sun with SPF 30. You can check any other sunscreen as well, but please don't forget to apply sunscreen. This Lotus sunscreen doesn't stain any white scars on my face, and I'm absolutely loving it. This also adds a glow on my face, and which is absolutely good. Again, another product from the Mamaearth aloe vera gel. So yeah, I'm keep loving the Mamaearth brand. This is a very fascinating brand, I think. Let me know in the comment section if you want a separate video on this aloe vera gel. So here we done with our skincare. Let's get into the mini makeup haul. I purchased this Pond's BB cream. My shade is this medium. So this is always in my go-to wear. I started using this product for my college time and it gave a very natural and healthy look. More plumpier and more radiant. I'm dotting applying this on my face, and I'm using my hands rather than the brush or the beauty blender. You can also use a beauty blender, but I keep my hands on the BB cream. Well, this MRP having 145 rupees. This product really even out the skin. Those who are not the foundation person, they can invest in the BB creams. Now this time to set our face, here I'm using the Mars ka banana powder. This banana powder again is in the affordable side, very fine powder, so it controls the oil very well and make your makeup last long. This comes with its own sponge, but here I'm using the brush to apply this banana powder on my face. As I have the oily skin, so this banana powder helps to prevent the oil on my face and make my makeup last long. How can we forget the lips? So here I'm using TNW ka herbal lip balm. So this is in a beetroot variant. You can check in the Amazon, there's a lot of variant present. Then this time I purchased my most awaited eyeshadow palette, that is from Nicka K Mocha Mix. I really love the shade, having very warm tones and also matte and a shimmer shade. Here I am using light brown shade as on my transition to well define my eyes. Then here I am using dark brown shade on my outer V and I dusted off the extra. The shades are very good and very pigmented. This shade can suitable to every skin tone and it can be wearable in every occasion. The MRP of this palette is 799 rupees, but you guys can't imagine how much I got this. I pay only 299 rupees for this palette during Amazon festival sale. So yeah, it's a great deal. So here I'm a bit confused to which shimmer shade should I apply on my crease. So I picked this red one, not dark pink I think. Okay, so I just wet my brush with a makeup setting spray ताकि ब्रश अच्छे से ग्लिटर शेड्स को पिकअप कर ले. इनके ग्लिटर्स थोड़े चंकी है, फॉल आउट्स होते हैं, बट या इट कैन बी बिल्डेबल. यू कैन लाइक ऐड बनाना पाउडर अंडर आईज एंड यू कैन dust it off later. Okay, so here I am smoothing the harsh lines so कुछ भी harsh ना दिखे and सब कुछ blended लगे. So here I am again added this dark brown on my outer V ताकि वो अच्छे से define लगे. So now we almost there for our eye look. So this is very basic and very subtle. You can wear on daytime and that is okay. Now it's time to wear the lipstick. So I have two options. So first one is the crayon. This is 12 Hour Stay Matte Lip Crayon from the brand Swiss Beauty. This shade name is 21 Brownie Point and this is very nice, a brown shade. The next is from Sugar. The shade name is 12 Teak Over. So this is very light plum shade and it is moreover the say the nude shade, but it is very perfect for a daytime wear. Okay, so I'm not the gloss person, but this time I want to try extra. So yeah, this time I use this Lakme Absolute ka gloss. Then last to settle our makeup, I'm using this Inside Cosmetica setting spray. This is very dewy and lasts my makeup long. I will let my face air dry and if I find some extra, then I am removing and dipping by the beauty blender. Okay, so we talk about the skincare, makeup, and what about hairs? So during this festive wedding season, we trying different hair tools and hairstyles, or else we straighten our hairs, curling our hair. So to protect our hairs from this heat or make our hair more healthy and glossy, L'Oreal ka Extraordinary Oil Serum. This is for all hair types. So this having 7 infused oils, so you can use it before shampoo, before drying, before styling, as a finishing touch or as an overnight treatment. Spreads 2 to 3 drops evenly on the palm of your hands before applying oil from the middle to the tips of your hair. This serum helps to detangle my hairs easily and make my hairs frizz-free. So let's style our outfit with a nice pair of jhumkas. So this jhumka I purchased from the Sarojini market only for 30 rupees and I added some bindi, and then the final touch with the dupatta. One more thing which I have to share with you guys, दिवाली है तो दिए तो बनते हैं. So this time I found a very new or unique in the Amazon. This is LED bulb दियास. वैसे तो तेल के दिए ही जलाते हैं, बट वेरांडाज में होता है ना यार, हवा से दिए बुझ जाते हैं तो बार बार जलाना पड़ता है, तो इससे वो मुसीबत नहीं होगी. सो या आप इस तरह से भी आप अपने घर को डेकोर कर सकते हो. एंड आई फाउंड इट वेरी वेरी प्रिटी. आई होप आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आया होगा. अगर आया है तो प्लीज़ इस चैनल को लाइक कर देना और मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर देना. मिलते हैं आपको नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. टिल देन बाय बाय एंड विश यू अ वेरी हैप्पी सेफ दिवाली.